My name's Jenny and I'm a Sage Intacct technician at Solutions for Accounting. Welcome to the third video in the series on the benefits of cloud with Sage Intacct. In the previous video, we discussed the freedom that Sage Intacct can offer. In this video, we will discuss automation and streamlining your business processes with Sage Intacct. One of the biggest issues facing growing businesses is the increased time spent sifting through financial data, bringing data sources together, and actually creating and designing reports. Sage Intacct offers automation of many previously labor-intensive activities. With all your data in one place, there is no lengthy workaround to bring all your data together to create a custom report. Sage Intacct offers several out-of-the-box accounts payable automation tools. For example, purchase requisitions, purchase orders, purchase invoices, and purchase credit notes can all be converted into each other seamlessly. When a purchase order becomes an invoice, it can be converted in a few clicks, as opposed to creating an entirely new purchase invoice based on the same data. Sage Intacct automates other tasks too, such as bank reconciliations. This automation helps to speed up your processes and frees up valuable time, allowing you to focus on other aspects of the business. Working manually to create reports can take a very long time, and also greatly increases the chances of errors making their way into your reports. A report by Smartsheet showed that 40% of workers spent a quarter of their time on data entry tasks that could be automated. By spending such a large amount of time doing data entry, the chance for human errors is very high. Automating data entry removes the possibility of human error, leading to less stress and headaches further down the line. One of the great things about Sage Intacct is that it's a modular system. You only use the features of the software that you want to use. Sage Intacct has a marketplace for partner-created modules that can solve specific issues as well. Solutions for Accounting were the first partner in the UK to bring a Sage Intacct module to market. Our direct debit module is an ideal solution if you already collect direct debits but have to manually process entries in Sage. The add-on is simple and quick to set up and could save you hours or potentially days of processing time. Solutions for Accounting are a leading UK provider of Sage Intacct. Solutions for Accounting was also the first UK Sage partner to have a client go live with Sage Intacct, with LW Cole. To find out more about LW Cole and how they grew with Sage Intacct, watch our case study video next. If you are interested in learning more about Sage Intacct, please contact our experts today.